Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for all you tech enthusiasts out there. If you own a MacBook Pro or any electronic device with a screen, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the best MacBook Pro Screen Cleaner available in the market, the Screen Cleaner Spray by Eveo. Let's dive right in and unbox this fantastic screen cleaner kit. Inside the package, you'll find a generous 16-ounce bottle of screen cleaner spray and a plush microfiber cloth. The packaging is sleek and minimalist, a sign of the quality product we're about to explore. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of what makes this screen cleaner stand out from the rest. The Eveo Screen Cleaner is compatible with all major brands of screens, including MacBook Pro, TVs, smartphones, tablets, and more. This means you can use it to clean all your electronic devices with confidence. The included microfiber cloth is super soft and specially designed to prevent streaks and fiber shedding. It's the perfect companion to ensure a crystal clear screen after cleaning. Eveo has formulated this screen cleaner to be gentle on screens, making it suitable for sensitive LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED screens. No need to worry about damaging your precious devices. Let's talk about how user-friendly this product is. Applying the screen cleaner is a breeze. Simply screw on the sprayer gun onto the bottle, spray the cleaning liquid onto the microfiber cloth, and then wipe your screen until it's streak-free and shiny. The large 16-ounce bottle ensures you'll have enough cleaner to last a long time, even with regular use. This kit is your quick and easy solution for maintaining a spotless screen. Now, let's talk about the price point and where you can get your hands on this fantastic screen cleaner. The Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray is competitively priced at $19.97 for a 16-ounce bottle and microfiber cloth. If you're a Prime member, you can snag it for even less at $16.97. Plus, there are bundle options available, so you can stock up and save. It's time for our final thoughts on the best MacBook Pro screen cleaner, the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray. This product has it all: compatibility with a wide range of screens, a high-quality microfiber cloth, and ease of use. With overwhelmingly positive reviews, it's clear that customers trust and love this screen cleaner. If you want to keep your screens looking pristine, the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray is a must-have. That's a wrap for today's product critique review of the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray. If you're tired of smudged screens and want to keep your MacBook Pro and other devices looking brand new, don't hesitate to grab this fantastic screen cleaner. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. We'll see you next time on Product Critique.